In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort on Smartsheet. Whether you're managing a project, organizing task lists, or simply trying to keep your data neat and accessible, knowing how to sort rows effectively can make a big difference. Let's dive right in and walk through this straightforward process together. To start with, you need to select the rows you want to sort. Begin by clicking on the row numbers. If you're looking to select multiple rows, a helpful tip is to hold down the Shift key while you click. This allows you to highlight a range of rows quickly, which can be particularly useful if you're working with large sets of data. Once you've selected your rows, it's time to open the Sort menu. For this, you're going to right-click on any of the selected rows. A context menu will appear, and from here, you'll need to choose the Sort Rows option. This action will open up the sorting dialog box, where you'll be able to specify your sorting preferences. In this dialog box, selecting the right column to sort by is crucial. You'll want to think about what kind of data organization makes the most sense for your needs. For instance, if you're managing a timeline, you could choose a date column to sort chronologically. Or, if you're looking at a budget sheet, you might choose a column related to costs. It's all about tailoring the sort to suit your specific objectives. After selecting the column, it's time to decide on the order of your sort. You have two choices here, ascending or descending order. If you choose ascending, you're organizing data from smallest to largest or from A to Z. Meanwhile, selecting descending will arrange your data from largest to smallest or from Z to A. Consider your data type and what information is most critical at the top when making your choice. Once you've set these criteria, simply click OK to apply the sort. Your selected rows will rearrange themselves according to your specifications, making your data layout both logical and efficient. Remember, if you think you might need to quickly return to the previous arrangement at any point, it's always wise to save a backup of your sheet before applying major sorts or other changes. That's all there is to it. Sorting in Smartsheet can be incredibly powerful when used effectively, giving you better control and insights into your data. So go ahead, give it a try, and see how it can improve your workflow. Thanks for watching, and I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how sorting on Smartsheet can streamline your data management tasks.